How to remove silent mode on your iPhone. I hope you have already turned on your volume button, but if it still does not work, I have a solution for you. Firstly, tap on Settings. As you tap into Settings, scroll down and tap on the option called Sounds and Haptics. As you can see, your phone is on the lowest point. Now, increase or decrease on your desired volume. After doing this, you will automatically remove silent mode on your iPhone. If it still does not work, hold on. I have another solution for you. Scroll down on your phone. As you can see, there's an option called Personal. Tap on it and turn it off. Sometimes your iPhone might go into silent mode when you keep your phone on Do Not Disturb mode. If you do this, your phone will now remove silent mode. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.